9th Standard Maths, Unit 5, Coordinate System. Exercise 5.2. See the question number 2. Determine whether the given set of points are collinear or not. Okay, the given points are 7, -2, 5, 1 and 3, 4. We have to prove the 3 points are collinear. Okay, we can prove that sum of the distance between the two pair of points. Sum of the distance between two pair of points is equal to the third pair of points. That is to prove. Okay. What is the meaning of collinear? What is the meaning of collinear? 3 or more than 3 points occur in a straight line, that is called collinear. Okay. So we have to draw the straight line. Straight line. The 3 or more than 3 points occur in a straight line, that is called a collinear. Okay. Draw the 3 points. The first point is 7, -2. Okay. I will give the name is A of 7, -2. And then second point 5, 1. 5, 1. And then I give the name B. And then next point 3, 4. That is the name C. Okay. The collinear means 3 or more than 3 points occur in a straight line, that is called collinear. So we give the name is A, B and C. Okay. What we have to do now? What is our aim? If the 3 points are collinear means we have to prove that sum of the distance between two pair of points is equal to the third pair of points. That is, first we have to find out distance between two points AB. First we have to find out the distance between AB and BC. Finally AC. Okay. At the time we get 3 set of answers. Then we have to add AB plus BC is equal to AC. Clear? That is our aim. Can you understand, dears? First we have to prove the distance between the 2 points AB. The AB distance between AB is equal. We know that formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now we have to take the values A and B. What is the value of A? 7, -2. And what is the value of B? 5, 1. Now we have to give the points first value. You know that in before class I teach you the first value always denoted as x coordinate value and second value is denoted as y coordinate value. So this 7 is x coordinate, means we give the name x1 and then y coordinate value is give the name y1. Okay, and same like that this 5 already I give the name x1, means next I give to x2, y2. Clear? Now we have to apply the values x2. What is the value of x2? 5. So we have to apply the value 5 minus, formula minus, and then x1. What is the value of x1? 7. So you put the value 7 bracket whole square and put the formula plus. And then what is the value of y2? See here, what is the value of y2? y2 value is 1. So write the value 1. And what is the symbol is there? Minus. Put the minus. And then next, what is the value of y1? y1 is -2. So you put the bracket and put the -2 whole bracket whole square and square root of these values. Okay, next 5 minus 7 whole square. 5 minus 7 means the different sign subtract. It is under, you know very well. Different sign subtract and put the greater number symbol. 5 minus 7 means subtract means 2. Greater number sign means minus 2 whole square. And then put the formula plus 1 minus minus of 2. Minus of minus plus. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 3. 3 whole square. The square root of 3 whole square. And next minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 square means the multiple of 2 times. Power square means the multiple of 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. The square root of plus 4 plus 3 square. 3 square means multiplying by 2 times 3. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, next what is the value? 4 plus 9, 13. Square root of 13. So the distance between the 2 points AB is equal to 13. And next we have to find out the distance between which one? BC. Distance BC. BC is equal to, what is the value of B? 5, 1. What is the value of B? B value is 5, 1. And C value is 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Give the name x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. And write the formula. What is the formula for distance between 2 points BC? The same formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Next apply the values x2. See here, what is the value x2? 3. 3 minus x1 5. Okay. 3 minus 5 whole square plus y2. What is the value of y2? 4. 4 minus y1. What is the value of y1? 1. Okay. Bracket whole square. The square root of. Okay, next 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 1 3 whole square. The square root of. And then finally 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9. Square root of is equal to finally BC. BC is equal to 13. Square root of 13. Next we have to find out the distance between the 2 points AC. Finally we have to find out that AC. Distance AC is equal, the formula, the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Every time you must write the formula, and in your rough column you have to write the points also. If you find out the distance AC means you have to write the value A and C and give the names. The first value is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. If you write the points in your rough column means you have to easily apply the values in your formula. Okay. Now we have to apply the values. The square root of x2. What is the value of x2? 3. What is the value of x2? 3. Minus, formula minus x1. What is the value of x1? 7. 3 minus 7 plus, formula plus, and then y2. What is the value of y2? 4. 4 minus y1 value is minus 2. Put the minus 2 in the bracket and whole square. Okay. Next, 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 whole square. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Different sign subtract. Plus 3 minus 7. Different sign subtract and put the greatest number sign. Okay. Minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus minus 2. Minus into minus. Bracket means off. Off means into. So minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 whole square. Okay, the square root of 6 whole square. Then next, 4 square. 4 into 4. Minus 4 into 4. Minus 4 into 4. This is the rough column. This is the rough column. Minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to minus of minus plus. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So you have to write the value 16. So square root of plus 16 plus 6 square. 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. That is the square value. Square means multiplying by 2 times in the same number. But 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 6, 36. And this finally add the square root of 16 plus 36. 16 plus 36. What is the value? 52. What is the value? 52. Okay. That is distance between the 2 points AC. That is the distance between the 2 points AC. Okay. Now we had find out the AB, the distance between the 2 points AB, and distance between the 2 points BC, and distance between the 2 points AC. We had find out. Okay. What is our aim? We have to prove that AB plus AC, the sum of 2 pair of points is equal to the third pair of points. That is our aim. The sum of two pair of points AB plus BC is equal to AC. That is our aim. We have to prove. Okay. Now see that AB is 13 and BC is 13. Okay. AC is root 52. Okay. If it is possible means we have to take the square root of value. Okay. So to find out the prime factors of 52. Apply the 2 table. 2 twos are 4. Balance 1. 6 2 are 12. Okay. Next, again put the 2 table. 13 twos are 26. Okay. So you have to write the factors of 52. What are the factors? 2 into 13. And then we have to find out the square root. That is the square root of 52. So, square root of 52. How to take the square root of values? For example, listen to yours. 2 square. What is the value of 2 square? 2 square means multiplying by 2 times. So, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That is 2 square. Okay. This is the square values. This is the square values. Suppose we have to take the square root of 4. 2 square means 4. Square root of 4 means, what is the answer? You know very well. 2 squares. 4 square value is 2 square. Square root of 4 means, if it is, take only single from it the value. Okay. The square root of 4 need means, we have to apply the square values for 4. What is the square values of 4? 2 square. So, square root of 2 power 2. Okay. Square root of 4 need means you have to take only single from that value. Okay. So, you have to take the value 2. Okay. That is the square root. So, how is take the square root of 2 square? So, here you have to apply 2 into 2 means 2 square. Okay. Into 13. But what is the square root of 2 square? We have to take single from that value. Okay. So, you have to take single from that value means 2 square means you have to take single value only. 2 is take outside. That is square root of. Okay. And then remaining 13 only one value is coming inside the square root. Clear? Can you understand? That is the AC value. Okay. Now, we have to find out AB and then BC and then AC. So, we have to prove AB plus BC is equal to AC. Okay. AB plus BC is equal to AC. What is the value of AB? AB is root 13 plus BC is root 13 is equal to AC is 2 into root 13. Okay, root 13 means 1 root 13. Before is that 1 root 13 plus 1 root 13. 1 root 13 plus 1 root 13, 2 times of root 13 is equal to 2 times of root 13. It is our aim. The sum of two set of points. The sum of two set of points is equal to the third set of points. That is, the sum of two set of points is equal to the third set of points means the given 3 points are collinear. It is our aim. Okay. Therefore, the 3 points. The 3 points are collinear. Clear? Can you understand the concept, dears? So, we have considered the 3 points. We have considered the 3 points. What is that? The sum of two set of points, AB plus BC. The sum of two set of points is equal to the sum of two set of points equal to the sum of third points. Okay. That is equal means. If it is equal means the 3 points are collinear. The given condition is proved.